it's Chris here, and I want to start back with the chicken parkour. Okay. So it's not parkour now. It says, question 1. Which mob other than chickens drop feathers when dead? What? Okay, it says zombie or skeletons. It's zombies, but they don't do that anymore. They used to, but they don't do that anymore.
Yeah, they used to.
So, yep, correct. Okay, it's like you have to go in a pit of lava, and if it's the right one, there's water beneath it. Okay, what is the name of a not-cooked chicken? It's raw, right? Raw chicken?
Yeah, raw chicken.
And you will be correct, sir. Bro, this is fun. Which type of egg? Okay, there's no eggs in here. What? Guys, there's no eggs. I'm just gonna go in one. Cause this says sample and sample above the chest. Go left. I died! Wrong one. Yeah. Okay, let's go back again. Zombies. So it must be the other one then. Raw chicken. I want to finish the map. I don't want to do a 3-parter. I want to finish the map. I want to start on a new map.
I'm not gonna delete my videos. I'm just gonna put them in private.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just like memories review, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do sheeps hate chickens?
What?
Do sheep hate chickens?
Wait, hold on. I need to go eat, okay?
Wait, you're leaving?
Okay. I need to go eat breakfast.
Oh, okay. Do sheep hate chickens? Hint,
Bye.
chickens not.
Wait, hold on. I'll call you back, I guess. Bye. I'll call you back.
Oh, okay. Yep, okay. What? Okay. Are you enjoying this map? Yes, I am. Knew it. That was a given. Okay, I'm just gonna end it here. Some like GFM bills. Okay, that's gonna be a short episode. Nope, we're gonna do this. Cake parkour! Oh god. Okay. Cake parkour. Parkour. Oh, bye guys. Remember I already did the parkour? Yeah, so you're supposed to go here. I kind of break some stuff. Break block. And it opened here. And then we get a roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride. Yeah. Ride. Okay. We're gonna see the... What? He didn't power the rails? Okay. No. Okay. That's a mistake. Hold 1. Let's look at the cake! The yummy cake. Okay. The bunch of boxes. Yep. Yep, the beds. The main parkour area. Then, it was a chicken! Okay. Okay, then we dropped in here. And it says, thanks for playing chicken parkour. Follow me on Twitter. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Guys, that would be the end of the video. Short, nice.